Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can remove the weather icon on your taskbar. So just please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So in my taskbar, you can see the weather icon right here. And if I'm going to click on it, I will be or I will know what is the weather for today and also any other information right here. So now click on it again. You can also discover different information right here, like the latest info. And also you have here the games and the weather for today or the temperature for today. You can also see the full forecast like that. Or you want to disable this weather icon on your taskbar, then here's what you can do. If you don't want to know what is the weather for today by simply clicking on the weather icon, then click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on personalization. Then simply scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors and the system pins. Now you have here the widget, taskbar items, search task view and the widgets. If you find the widgets, if you want to disable it, simply switch this button off. Now, if I'm going to switch the button off for widget, then we're good to go. The weather icon in the taskbar has disappeared and you can no longer click on that because you have just disabled it. But if in some cases that you want to enable it again, then you can go back to the same path that we have navigated earlier by clicking on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on personalization. Scroll down and click on taskbar. Then here, just simply enable the widgets. And then you're good to go. You will enable again, or you can see again the weather icon on your taskbar. So as simple as that, I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.